the ultimate guide to a healthy ketogenic diet. Boost your health with keto and intermittent fasting. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the ketogenic diet and how it can help you transform your life. We'll discuss the benefits of keto, how to implement it, and how combining it with intermittent fasting can maximize your results. What is a ketone and the ketogenic diet? Ketones are molecules produced by your body when it breaks down fat for energy, which occurs when you restrict carbohydrates. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, moderate protein, low-carbohydrate diet that aims to shift your body's primary fuel source from glucose to ketones, enhancing numerous aspects of your health. How to get into ketosis? To enter ketosis, you need to lower your carbohydrate intake and reduce your meal frequency. The ketogenic diet typically recommends limiting carbs to around 5% of your daily caloric intake, coupling this with intermittent fasting, such as eating within a 6-hour window, and fasting for the remaining 18 hours, can further boost your ability to produce ketones. Benefits of the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting. The keto diet and intermittent fasting work synergistically to provide numerous health benefits, including increased oxygen levels, enhanced energy, improved cognitive function, reduced inflammation, lower blood pressure, decreased belly fat. Most importantly, this combination helps lower insulin levels and reduces insulin resistance, which is crucial in preventing or managing diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Autophagy, recycling your body's damaged cells. Intermittent fasting, particularly when fasting for 18 hours or more, triggers autophagy, a process where your body recycles damaged cells and proteins, turning them into new amino acids. This cellular recycling has numerous health benefits and can help improve overall bodily function. Healthy keto versus dirty keto. When following a ketogenic diet, it's essential to focus on nutrient-dense, high-quality foods such as grass-fed meat, wild-caught fish, and organic produce. This is known as healthy keto. On the other hand, dirty keto prioritizes keeping carbs low without considering food quality or nutrient density. Following a healthy keto approach ensures better overall health and appearance. The ideal keto meal plan. To implement a healthy keto meal plan, fill half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with protein, and a quarter with fat. This ensures a good balance of nutrients while keeping your carb intake low. Focus on consuming foods like pasture-raised eggs, organic cheese, olives, avocados, and a variety of vegetables. Combining keto with intermittent fasting. To maximize the benefits of keto and intermittent fasting, try eating 2 meals a day within a 6-hour window, fasting for the remaining 18 hours. This will help you achieve the ideal balance of nutrients and trigger autophagy for optimal health benefits. So, there you have it. The ketogenic diet, combined with intermittent fasting, can provide numerous health benefits, helping you achieve your weight loss and wellness goals. Remember to focus on nutrient-dense foods and maintain a consistent fasting window for the best results. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.